Okay, in this other video, we're having this amazing question. Let's take a look at it and try to solve it. We are going to solve for the value of m here. If you take a look at here, you're going to see that 2 to the m is repeating 3 times. And you can factor it out to about 2 to the m into what 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, and we bring it out to about a 30 at this point. Okay, we have 2 to the m 3 times. So we have 2 to the m into 3 is equals to 30. Okay, at this point we divide all through by 3. So I have what? A 10 here. Hence you have 2 to the m is equals to 10. At this point, you're going to apply a basic principle of logarithm, that is natural logarithm, by using the ln function. Okay, you're going to have what? M ln n ln 2 is equals to 10. Okay, I know you're asking yourself, where is this coming from? You know that from ln a to the power n is equals to n ln a. Okay, and if you apply ln on one side, you're going to apply ln on the other side. So have ln 10 at this other side. Hence, we move on to have what? M is equals to ln 10 divided by ln of 2. We know also that ln a on b on ln b is equals to ln a minus ln b. Okay, therefore m is equals to what? Ln 10 minus ln of 2. And I know you can have the answer here by punching on your individual calculators. Punch on your calculator and drop your answer in the comment section. See you in the next video.